Greetings. My name is José Alberto Feliciano Melendez. I will be discussing the ecosystem that I and my colleagues choose, which is tropical rainforest. The part that I chose were where the ecosystem is found. Olympic rainforest, North to America. Rainforest of Central America. Amazon rainforest, South to America. Congo River Basin rainforest, Africa. Madagascar rainforest. Rainforest of South Asia. Map images. Animals found in these regions. Mammals include various types, insects, and abundant amounts. Deer, cats, wild pigs, marsupials, sloths, insects. Plants found in these regions. Emergent trees push above the canopy. First layer of vegetation begins at the forest floor. Vines, mass of tree tops. Colorful flowering plants. Work site. Thanks for your attention.